Hello everyone, I hope all are fine. This is Samreen here and I am here with the video of English first. That is your grammatics. Okay, as we have already completed half yearly, so today we are going to start syllabus of second unit. So we will start from lesson number 15. So please open your book and start studying lesson number 15. So my dear students, this is your chapter 15, the adjective. I hope you all are aware about adjective as you have studied in your previous classes. So an adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Okay. For example, see the first sentence, Ramesh is a handsome boy. So when we add something to the meaning of the noun, means Ramesh is a noun and he is a boy. So he is handsome. It means we added something to modify the meaning and that is handsome. Okay. So these words we call adjectives. Now we will study about kinds of adjectives as you can see. Alright. The first one is you can see adjective of quality. Okay. So for example, adjectives may be divided in the following classes. For example, adjective of quality tells us of what kind of person or thing is. Okay, that is called adjective of quality. Suresh is an expert driver. Means what kind of driver Suresh is? Expert. Second sentence you can see, second example here. I am showing you here. This is an excellent book. So what type of book it is? Excellent book. Okay, this is what we call adjective of quality. Adjectives of quality. Second one is adjectives of quantity. Quantity means which is showing us that how much amount we are having of anything. Okay, matlab means how much of a thing is meant. That is called adjective of quantity. For example, she is not telling the whole truth. You can see here. Means she is not telling the whole truth. We know that how much she is telling the truth. It is not the whole, not completed one. Second one, allow sufficient time to get there. Okay, means time, we cannot count here. These things are called quantity. Okay, uncountable ones. Okay, now come to the next one. Turn your page everyone. So this is the definition also. Adjectives which tells us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quality. Sorry, quantity. Next, see the third one. Adjectives of number. Here we can see or we can say that countable ones. For example, most boys like to play cricket. We can count the boys. There are no eggs in the refrigerator. Means no egg, no number. Right? So these type of sentences come under adjectives of, yes, number. Correct. So an adjective that tells us how many persons or things are meant is called the adjective of number. Now come to the fourth one, distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral means an adjective that refers to each one of number is called distributive numeral adjective. Each one of. For example, each girl performed in the drama. Okay, each girl. Second one, every word. Means we are talking about each and everybody, each and everything in this, and that is why it is called distributive numeral adjective. Okay, either, neither also come under this adjective. Okay, now turn your page. Next one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative is very easy. Whenever we point out, okay, like which person or which thing is meant, so these things are demonstrative adjective. Like this photograph is mine. Okay, these pens are his, that is in that notebook is hers. These are the examples. Okay, now come to the next one, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives means an adjective which tells us about a thing owned by someone is called possessive adjective. For example, this is my friend. Okay, these are our photographs. Okay, then please give me your pen. Means that pen which I am asking belongs to you. Okay, so things which belongs to somebody or someone is called possessive adjective. Now next page, please turn your page. That is forms of possessive adjectives. So these are the forms: first person, second person, third person. You all have studied. Okay, when we talk about I talk about myself, that is first person. If I talk about yourself, that is second person. And if I talk about any other person, that is third person. Now come to the next one, that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative, I don't have to tell you this much, because we know very well whenever we put question mark, that too with WH questions, है ना? So this come under interrogative adjectives. So adjectives which, what and whose, when used with nouns to ask questions, are called adjectives, interrogative adjectives. For example, which book do you want to buy? Question mark. What manner of man is he? Question mark. Okay, whenever we are putting question here. Now come to the next one, that is position of adjectives. There are two positions of adjectives. First one is attributive, or second one is predicative. So students, let me tell you very clearly, whenever we put adjective before the noun, that is attributive. Okay, and when we put adjective after the noun, that is predictive. Okay, predicative. Now, for example, Amit is an intelligent student. So before student is a noun, you can see at last we put what? Intelligent. Okay, it is already written here. So Amit is what kind of a student? Intelligent student. That is adjective, that is attributive adjective. Now come to the next page. Okay, predicative use of adjectives. Here you can see the man is very old. Okay, here when we put adjective after the verb especially, okay, you can see that is called predicative adjective. Now come to the correct use of some adjectives. This, for example, some, any. So some is used generally in affirmative sentences, okay, and any is generally used in negative form or in interrogative form, okay, in sentences. And for example, each and every also expresses similar meaning, but each is used to refer two or more things, okay, and every means each without accepting or exception. It is only used to refer more than two people or thing, like every seat in the bus was occupied, means we are talking about more than one people or two people. Now come to exercise A. Use suitable adjectives before the following nouns. So you can see first one, boy, before boy. It is not mandatory that you have to write these adjectives only. You can write by your own also. Okay. Maybe in live class, ma'am will give you different one. So anything you can write. We are not bounding you to write these only. You can explore other words also. So, for example, handsome boy, then smart girl, cute dog, old man, clever student, empty room, healthy food, cold drink, hot milk, new cloth. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here, exercise B, you can see underline adjectives in the following sentences and write their kinds in the boxes. So, underline, you can already see here that was an honest man. Okay. So, honest obviously is what? Adjective. What kind of? Adjective of quality. See students, I'm telling you, from 1 to 8 everything is quality. For example, Archana wears a pink gown. Pink is a quality. Always drink clean water. Clean is also a quality. Franklin is a foolish fellow. Foolish is also a quality. Ashok was a just king. It is also a quality. Lazy students never do well. Lazy is also a quality. We cannot categorize these words in any other adjective. We have our main meal at lunchtime. That is also adjective of quality. Okay, so till 8 he lives in a big house. Big is also a quality. So I have written like this, but you all have to write properly adjective of quality. Okay, adjectives of quality. Next one, ninth one, you can see I like these mangoes. These we know what. Here you can see adjectives of demonstration. Okay, or you can write demonstrative adjective. Okay, next, who is this man? This also a demonstrative adjective, so you can write demonstrative adjective or adjectives of demonstration, anything you can write. Next one, exercise C. Write whether the adjectives given in the color in the following sentences are attributive or predicative. So I have already told you what is attributive, what is predicative. So first one, you can see lazy student. It is written before student. It is attributive. Here you can see. Second one is this is very sweet. After verb it is written. It is predicative. Third one, national flag means attributive. Fourth one, every nation, attributive. Fifth one, great footballer. My uncle is a great footballer. Okay, enthusiast. So it is also attributive. Next, it was a horrible experience. Horrible experience matlab attributive. Next, I am slim and healthy. It is predicative. Next, Buddha was a very compassionate human being. Compassionate human being, attributive. Next one is I have many friends. Many friends is attributive. And the gold ring is very expensive. That is predicative. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now please turn your page. Okay. This is the last page of this chapter. Fill in the blanks with the possessive adjective. His, her, their to complete the sentences. So it is very easy. You can do by yourself also. I have already filled this one. Okay. Isabella is looking after her flowers. Vimal is wearing his coat because it is cold and snowing outside. Third one, my uncle is working on his computer now. He has got a lot of work. See, for males we use his, him. Okay. For females we use her, and for collective means for 2-3 people we use their, right? Olivia and Jessica are spending their winter holidays at a sky resort in Turkey. Next, Lata is reading her new storybook Meet Me in Istanbul at the moment. Next, 2 little brothers are playing with their ball in the park. Next, Mrs. Rachna is feeding her baby boy now. And the next one is Mrs. Khanna is celebrating her 50th birthday with all the family at home. Okay. So here we will put her because Mrs. Khanna is a female. Okay. Now come to the next part, learner's drill. In learner's drill, what we have to do? We have to look at these pictures carefully and choose and circle the right expressions. So dear students, according to the picture, we will do that. William is a handsome or beautiful. So William is a handsome boy because for boys we use handsome. He is young. Okay. He is of medium weight. He has got short black hair. Okay. Can you see that? I have already circled this one. So you also have to do the same way. Next one. Geeta is a pretty woman. She is young. She is slim. She has got long straight hair. Okay. So these are the circles, words which we have to circle. Okay. So dear students, here we have completed our lesson number 15. So you please go through this once again, complete your work and revise, learn, study well, and if you have any problem you can discuss in the comment section or you can discuss in live class also. Okay. Then take care everyone.